This is the Kyocera espresso grinder, also good for French press, drip, Turkish, imported from Japan, original Japanese packaging, complete pictorial instructions. Disassembles quite easily into the component parts. The burr comes off very easily for cleaning. As you can see, there has been some use. You just brush it off if you like. Clean it in some coffee cleaner, just as pure white when you're done. There's a little spring in here which adds to the evenness of the grind. To reassemble, part of the trick, there's 3 small tabs. There, I got it. The outer burr, the inner burr, and the adjustment wheel. To set the grind is very simple. It's gotten quite tight. I can hear some rubbing of the 2 burrs against one another. Now the blade faces are not rubbing, only the outer collars. There's a slight alignment collar there. It's quite nice, so you don't have to worry about breaking your blades or blunting them by turning them against each other. We're going to shoot for espresso here, so there's a small detent you can feel. I'm at 3. We'll go back about a half a turn. That sounds good. Filling, basically using your fingers as a funnel. Whoops, I really didn't need to put that handle on already, now did I? So that's about 14 grams, and let's just say 15 right there. It's a commercial machine. Top snaps on. Handle fits on, and then we begin our grind. At this setting, it takes about a minute and a half or so. It's a very easy motion. The handle's lifted so you're not going to hit your other hand. It gives you plenty of time to contemplate, to feel the grind, and to me, having used this grinder before for espresso, I might have it set a little tight. It's a nice thing about hand grinders is you basically can set them by feel once you know the grinder. Not necessarily by the numbers, but by the resistance of the burr. The old grinders are nice. This is a nice compact one. We plan on using this part of our travel kit. We end up, when we travel actually, we sometimes have more interesting coffee than we do at home, because we'll take our Kyocera and some mocha pots and Stella alcohol burners and anything else we can think of that's handy and mobile. We stop at a roastery, pick up some beans that we've never had before, grind them fresh, and so we're just about done. It's not a tedious exercise. I have timed it out to about 200 turns, and of course, the faster you turn, the quicker it goes. We're just about there. I can hear one bean rattling around. Yeah. It's kind of an unnatural thing, coffee grinding as a performance art, but there's just one that's giving me trouble. Now get down there. Very little left. I think I got it that time. And that pretty much did it. Okay. One of the nice things about this style grinder, as well as the Turkish mill that many people like, is you basically can dose directly. No funnels or yogurt containers, not much retention there. And so I like to just come straight down in. As you can see, very powdery, very fluffy. Nice grind all the way around. And even. That's a good place to show the evenness of the grind. Now really, to put a small hand grinder to the test, we want to use a big machine. Commercial machine. Not doing anything extraordinary, no extra hard tamping. We've got our Astoria 2-group lever set up. It's running on gas. Okay, lock in. It's kind of a... And pull down. And that's, yeah. It's kind of a David and Goliath kind of situation. That's such a small grinder. And I might have a choke here, or it could be the best shot that we've had all day. There, we've got some drips from our pre-infusion, and up goes the lever. And then we're going to also have to fight over who gets that left cup. There we go. One of the joys of the hand grinder. Such a simple little thing. Such a big, complicated machine. I think this is going to be a good pull. And we are just about there. You see, need to grind even a little coarser next time. And perhaps even a little coarser after that. A lot of range for espresso. A lot of evenness for drip or press. Nice little grinder.